Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with another product spotlight from Avery Elle. This holiday circle tag die set is the gift that just keeps on giving. And now they have this new stamp set to coordinate with it. This is the Critter Circles tag. I had hauled this from scrapbook.com recently and I finally got around to playing with it. Alrighty, let's take a look at the goodness. My favorite little tag set, because I am not the biggest tag maker, but this little tag die set, I've said it before, makes me make the cutest little tags. So I have a few videos of this and it's at a great price point. Came out during Christmas. And I showed you guys the first time that I used it, I showed you that it came with this. Well, now they came out with the critters. Alrighty. Let's look at the cuteness. Let's get started. So I've told you guys about this little tag die set. And if you're new to it, let me give you a little brief background. This tag is 2 3/4 inch circle, that's the scallop. The inner circle is 2 1/4. Come with these two little pieces here that you could attach to a gift, attach to the tag. So the tag can be used, which is what I like the most, that it doesn't have to have this attached to it. But you can do it circular like a label only or like an embellishment, or add this to then put it, put twine through it, ribbon through it, and then attach it to something. It also has the to and the from. And because of this circle, you can use it on any sentiment and cut it out. And I've shown you that in the past, but let's talk about their newest edition. So this is from Avery Elle. This little set, this makes it the year-round set. So initially they came out with the winter set, which now we're getting ready for the Christmas in July. There's that. So maybe they'll have a Halloween one. That would be cute. Maybe it's coming in July. Fingers crossed. Okay, yeah, maybe it is coming. And then this makes it the year-round with the happy birthday, the oh baby. And along with this set, because I'm about to show you my sample, I have been able to add, okay, they even came out, so just to coordinate with this little die set, there's already 3 of it from Avery Elle. We have everyday circle tags, and I've shown you examples of this. Let's go with the birthday one. Happy birthday in a shaker, and you can make shakers with it. Did I forget to say that? Yes, you can make a shaker with it. Very easy because we have the 2 layers. Yeah, so super easy to make a shaker. So that's the happy birthday here. This one, I'm going to show you one of my examples, the pretty kitty. And yeah, I'm going to go into more detail. And then the Christmas one, Santa. So you can either go as a flat embellishment, and on all of these I did put the little tab, this little tab piece. I did. I attach it to the back, 110 pound. Everything I do with this die, I always cut the base 110 pound, just to make it, whoever the recipient is, or if you want to, you could actually use this as a banner too. You could make a banner with this. I just thought about that. Loop it through tight and make a banner. 110 pound will give you years and years and years. This will last for many years. Or if you have a thin chipboard, it can work. So here is Santa with this set, and the snowman, pretty kitty, and I'll go more into this, and then this embellishment set. So those were the 3 sets that I bought. Yeah, Critter Circle and Holiday Circle tags. And I will link all these down below. So these are all the coordinating stamps to go with the die. Put that aside. And then I've been able to bring in other companies into the fun. FAWN came out with this set, Magic Messages. There you go. Added it. Yeah. And I did get the coordinating die that goes with this. I will link that as well. Oh, here it is. That's this. So I did a triple layer. See, this is on the sentiment here, the happy birthday, and then layered it up to make an embellishment. Little tag, 110 pound, yes, again. So I have now brought in, along with Avery Elle, Lawn Fawn. Then I've also brought into the fun Pretty Pink POSH. As long as it's a circle and I see it and I get, it has to be like under that 2-inch. Let me tell you what it has to be. The stamp has to be like in the 2-inch range. Then anything can work. Pretty Pink POSH Valentine Circles. Pretty Pink POSH Spring Circles. So I didn't get a chance to make an example, but I did color up some of the spring circles here, right there. That's the hummingbird and the flowers. That's it there. I would just put, you know, I would actually use, probably with this, the Magic Messages Lawn Fawn, and then layer it up like this and pop it up. Ooh, let's see if it works. Yep, perfect. Look at that. You could even, at this size, you could even use your own circle punches if you have a circle punch, but you know, of course, this has the stitch detail. That's why it's so nice. And these price points at this small, it's not bad at all, at all. Alrighty, so these are all my stamp sets to go with this. Oh my goodness. All right, now let's get into the product spotlight now of this. The cuteness. And here I have a gift bag, a nice little, what size is this gift bag? Call it 8.5 by 5.25 gift bag. Put a little bit of twine, and I made the little teddy bear. I put some more twine decoratively and attached it to a gift bag. Look at that. So you could have this as a party for, you know, a party, kids party, work party, anything. Now I colored all 4, so let me show you the embellishments. And I thought, that's pretty kitty. I could do it like this. I could leave it swinging or stick it on the bag, attach it to the bag. Also, I made the dog. Come on, come on. That makes it masculine. And the feet, there are no, there isn't a coordinating die for the feet for this, because you are going off of the base set. So I had to fussy cut it, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad fussy cutting. Because these stamp a little bit thicker, you get a nice thick area to cut and still keep the integrity of the image, of the stamp image. And last, purple goodness, look at that bunny. This now, if you're wondering what this is, I think it's a button embellishment. If I didn't get it from Joann's, I got it from Hobby Lobby. I just can't remember where. And I took it out the packet, so I don't have a reference to tell you where, but I know I bought it and it was a set. Like a 3D embellishment, but isn't this cute? So now if you're wondering what this is, the paper hug, making another appearance, and I will link it below, seeing that I'm talking about it again. Concord and 9th banner builder. Right here, that paper hugger. This is one that gives you a few set of sentiments, and I like to just stamp and heat emboss and go with it. That's what this is here. Instead of putting the banner and all this stuff, I just use a piece by itself. With the kitty. Cute, right? I think this is adorable. So on the back, I could do like this to make it stiffer here. This is organza, some organza ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And this one, this is like a gingham type of ribbon. Again, Hobby Lobby. You can buy ribbon anywhere though. Joann's, Michael's, Walmart. And then here, this is with twine. Cute. So this one is more masculine. You could put something else different on here, or don't put the little attachment and just stick it straight on. So it would just be the scallop circle. But isn't this the cutest set? And if you're on a tight budget, and let's say you know most of your crafting is holiday like this, then go with the holiday set. This price point is not bad at all, but you could get the holiday set, color that in, not hard to color, done. Or if you know most of what you're doing and most of what you are giving is birthday, then you could go with the critter, or Just go sentiment. Options. Are you noticing layers and layers and layers of options? If you are wondering what this bag is, I forgot to tell you. Got this on sale at Hobby Lobby in the papercraft. It is in the papercraft section. $4.99 for Saxon things. 12 pieces. Look at that. And they do carry this at Hobby Lobby. Look at the colors. Come on. So I took out the yellow and had a thing in my mind. Yellow and teal. I think that's so cute. And this is still masculine. This would be great for a toddler party. Or if you're taking a gift, let's say you don't want to buy, you know, a decorated birthday bag, because these things get expensive. Each time you're buying a bag, $2-3 a shot. It's like, no, just, I got this half off. So that's $5, $4.99, less 50% at Hobby Lobby. Wait until they put it on sale if you're, you know, being like me and budgeting it out. Then apply the tag. There you are. So the bag is plain, but this makes it cute. Cute, cute. If you don't have twine, you can just attach it straight on. And then, you know, maybe put a sticker, happy birthday, or use your electronic die cut machine, cut out happy birthday. Or if you have a happy birthday sentiment, which I just saw, I could go like this, happy birthday, and have my bear. I don't have to have all of that as an embellishment. Options. My whole point of this thing, this particular product spotlight, options, 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 and more options. I mean, you're like, wow, this thing is just, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Yes, turn it into a shaker. Why not? It could be this and this on the bag. You could put two. I could do just it flat, happy birthday, like that. So you could go as simple as you want to. If you have to make it in 2 seconds, there it is. Stamp it out, die cut, a little bit of glue, done. Or don't put this attachment, and that's what's the beauty of it. It is not dedicated. I love that. I love that I can just do it as a scallop. And I could also use this as a label without this top piece. Scrapbook. Card. I haven't done this on a card yet. I should though. Because if I use this scallop on a card, that could be a drop-in. What am I talking about? Yeah, my mind is going. Oh gosh, guys. Yes. I could do like this, a card, slimline, or, you know, A2, and then drop the scallop in here. It would be on a larger slimline, but that could work again. And then pop in this and create shakers with it, because this here, I may actually do that then, guys. That idea just came to me. I think I'm gonna do like a slimline with this, just to show you guys. Yeah, okay, even better. Let me do a slimline tutorial with this die set. Yeah, because that just came to me. The ideas that come with crafting. So this inspired me just having that idea, because I just shot that in the previous video. But isn't this adorable? I totally love this, because I have the hardest time making tags. You just don't know. It's like a tag, I look at it and I'm like, huh? I don't know where to go. But this gives me a place to go with tags. And so impactful. I mean, it's like tag embellishments. It is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. And this again, this is using, because of the height and the width of this tag, using a standard gem. These are my, I even have that new PinkFresh Studio one. I will link that below, but this is from KS Craft. These gems, which are super cute, it's just a little bit high and a little bit big. Oh gosh. It could work, but I wanted it to have a finer detail, and that's why I put it here on the bunny. You see the difference? These now are diamond dots. This little bottle of embellishment, you can find this, Hobby Lobby and Joann's. I buy this on sale. Joann's, use an extra 20. Bottom shelf, bottom row of the whole display of the diamond dot freestyle. These with the glitter is at the bottom row. The top rows will give you a more standard diamond dot like this. And I've been using these a lot lately as an embellishment. It is the most economical thing and super duper cute without a high price point. And this easily, I have no clue how much is in here. 500 to 1,000, I would say. It doesn't give me how many pieces. I can't see. I'm like flying blind right now. So I have both the gems, bigger, and PinkFresh Studio. I showed you guys in a recent haul. PinkFresh Studio has some gems that are different than the ones from KS Craft. Super pretty. So I'll link everything. I'll link the KS Craft one, the PinkFresh Studio, their new gems, which are like super pretty. You can get them on scrapbook.com, specially priced. And also, I will find a link for this freestyle if you don't go to the store, if you can't make it to the store, because these are totally cute. This one that I used is, oh, I have two of it because I like it that much. 5001. That's what this is. They don't have colors, they give you numbers. And this is like a beige version. This is a yellow that I used in the AliExpress sample for the Brilliant House store. And this, I could have also put it on the bag. And they come, I mean, this is like every color. So there's like a couple hundred of these little diamond dot things in store as well. But you just have to go by the number, okay? Cute, cute, cute. And if you go out to the store, you can look for this. It's a button. I just don't remember where I found it, but I love the pastel, cute. And yes, in love with my purple glitter, color the background purple, put the bunny, put his little hands. And as you can see, I was playing with the placement of the little paws, not hands, they're paws. I was doing out, like he's looking out. I was doing holding on, like here. And I was just playing with it. And then this one, I went further and then I stuck this little bit here from the little sentiment, just to give it something different. And this is just a little flower die from my stash that I cut and put a little flower in the kitty's head. Pretty kitty and bunny. Alrighty, guys. Love this little tag set, so check it out. I think, you know, if you have to make these type of things, and even if you don't want to color, you can always just stamp sentiments and layer it up, and or just stamp the sentiment and make it into shakers. Fun for the kids too. You could stamp this because it's, you know, summertime now. Have the kids color this up and then make tags. Let them give gifts to their aunts, their grandparents, mom, dad, da-da-da-da-da. Cute, right? Yeah, actually, this would be a good idea for kids to color. And then they could personalize on the note, and then on the back, they could write their note. You could also use the to and the from. Options. Are you starting to see the options? Alrighty, crafters. I hope you enjoy my little product spotlight. I love this set. Oh, alrighty, so until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Explore your options. And I will make a little slim line. Can you imagine all these ideas and all these samples from this little set? Comes all of this goodness. Come on. Alrighty, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.